Would you let the total amateur run your business? Could the least experienced person in the room do your job as good as you? What about the least interesting man in the world? Could he do it? All right. Every kind of leader has to make complaints. Every kind of leader gets complaints. We all have to solve problems and reduce conflict. And this is, in relationships, with our teams, um, with our partners, with customers, with clients. But when you let AI compose your replies to the most important communications you have, that's what you're doing. You're letting a total amateur basically run your business. Why are these so important? Well, people, they might talk about good service, but they will talk about bad service. Okay. Number one, nowadays everybody can tell that this is AI writing. Okay, because it's everywhere, and people nowadays, because it's everywhere, they're going to be, people are paying more attention to things that are actually written by a real human, and they can tell. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be sincere. Number two, you're spending a lot of time on these, prompts, trying to make them to get the result you want, and you're editing them, and they're not even in your brand voice and your voice, who you are. Okay, it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm certainly not, but it has to be sincere. People get the idea that this is a real person trying to help me, and that's what makes it valuable. So what you need to be using are templates, which you can adapt for your processes. Okay. You customize them according to your brand voice, and they're human and down to earth, simple and professional. And that's what I help you do. That's what I give you. The first lesson is free, no obligation after that. You can, pay as you go, or if you don't like it, don't order anymore. That's fine. But I want you to have this first lesson first, okay? It's called Email Diplomacy. The link is at the bottom. Order that, and you'll start turning a problem into a positive today.